Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a quick update in relation to one of the strongest altcoins we've been sort of trading and charting today, which is Wild. Super strong altcoin. In the last hour, we've made just over 13% in the group. So I thought I'd share with you guys quickly sort of my sort of thoughts on where this potentially could go. And yeah, so stay tuned. So again, on the macro sort of time scale, just to show you just how we're looking on the macro level. So yeah, so we've seen a very nice uptick. Again, the bottom back in May this year. So as it stands for me, we're in a we're in a wave 3. So again, it's a potential for at least a 50% sort of pump. I am looking for those sort of really strong sort of moves up. Again, one step at a time, but I'm going to remain long. I've taken some profit now just to sort of lock in some sort of gains, and we'll see how we sort of progress. Okay, so to start off, we'll map out some key levels. So we have this level here. So again, resistance level, reason being order block here, wick, untested. So I think we could come up to the 70 sort of region. Again, we need to sort of first of all sort of reclaim the 63, and then we can then look for that sort of 70 sort of region. And then if we get past that, we're then looking into this region here, which is the $1 region. Again, that'll probably spike up. So again, you've got a few trades here, so we can reclaim 70 region, and then we could work up to the 1, spike up to potentially the 1.15, get something like this potentially. There's a few things you can get, but again, if we reclaim 70, you could potentially see a 30% pump there anyway. So plenty of plays we can look at. Just to start off on the short term. So again, if you're not in a position now, what I would wait for is basically a reclaim of this high here. So again, there's no need to FOMO. Quite simply, we'll look to take out the 60 sort of region, this sort of wick here. Again, we get a retest, and we can look to long up to the 70 cents region. And then from that point there, we can continue up to the 1, or we can start seeing the rejections down. Just depends how strong. Obviously, Bitcoin will also influence it. If Bitcoin tanks, this will come down with Bitcoin. But yeah, as it stands, so I am long. Main target is 60. Again, if we reclaim that, I'll simply look to shed more profit, and then we'll re-enter if we sort of reclaim that and hold. But for now, just gonna be riding this out and yeah, seeing how we get on. In terms of targets, so I do believe at the moment we're in a wave 3. So volume starting to pick up. So wave 3, typically you'll see a 1.618 extension. So again, it takes us to 70. Potentially then we'll see sort of a pullback, and then we'll just continue up to the 90 sort of region. So I do think this is going to potentially extend to 70 and higher. So yeah, it's a very strong wave. I wouldn't FOMO in just now. Even if we sort of come back down here, you'd be looking at, yeah, it's just big moves, guys. So yeah. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. So yeah, so short update. I thought I'd just sort of keep you informed of what I'm doing myself. Invalidation would simply be if we lose this region here. So if we do lose the 47.5 region, I'll look for this then to come straight back down to 40 and lower. But yeah, we're seeing the pumps just due to the AI sort of open AI American investment potentially, and just the updates from those guys. So that's why we're seeing this big push. So again, to explore the alternate option, yeah, if Bitcoin did tank, we potentially could be seeing this. Certainly could not rule that out. But as it stands, stop loss is in profit. So whatever happens, we are going to be making money. But in terms of plays for you guys, again, this will still be bullish overall for me. But I would not look to enter right now. Wait for a flip of 60 cents, hold that, look up to long to 70. So you're still, from that point, you'll still be looking at a 15% move. So you can't argue that at all. Yep, so that's wild. So I'll keep that pace. I'll do a quick Bitcoin update for you guys just while we're here. So again, following on from yesterday, again, I'm still waiting for that wick up to 645 I was looking at. Again, we've not quite seen that, so it's just the highs of this range here. I do believe we may wick into that today, and then we'll start to see sort of the move sort of down. So basically, short term, it's going to be something like this. So again, if we do fall from here, fine, like that, or something like that. So wick up, grab the liquidity here in this order block here, straight down. So you'll be looking at shorts at 675 to 65, and just look for that weakness. Or from here, if we do start coming down, just look for longs down to the 612 region if we hold. Again, I will keep this updated, guys. Again, if you do want sort of more updates, do check out the groups in the descriptions. Again, thanks all for your support. The channel's growing lovely, and again, I'm going to be updating more Elliott wave counts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top sort of altcoins. So if you do like this this sort of short altcoin update, please do comment and give this video a like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.